Hi, my name's Abbey. Welcome to Quick Make Lunches on Cooking with Abbey. For today's episode, we're making egg salad sandwich. First things first, we need to boil some eggs. We sped up this video, but of course, this takes 8+ minutes to do. Anything less and you'll have runny yolks, which you may like. While we wait, anybody know any good knock-knock jokes? Alright, all jokes aside, let's get back to our egg salad. Now that those have boiled, we're going to take them out of the water and let them cool in the fridge. Let's get our dressing ready. First, we're going to dice up a green onion. The finer the better. Now transfer your green onion to a medium bowl. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of yellow mustard. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, and pepper, followed by about half a teaspoon of paprika. And mix all that together. Now it's time to peel your eggs. And careful not to break them, like my dad did. But at the end of the day, it's okay. They taste the same. You just don't want to get any shell in your sandwich. That's not the crunch we're looking for. Once they're all peeled, throw them in the bowl and mash them up with a fork. You can make these as chunky or as smooth as you'd like. Totally up to you. We've used 3 eggs, which is enough for 2 sandwiches. Now, grab your bread of choice. Divide your egg mixture into 2 equal parts. And spread it on your bread. Make sure you get even coverage. Boom, there you go. Now all we have to do is cut it in half. Again, diagonally tastes better. Now for our vegetable side, we have some red pepper. Cut into thin strips. A few cherry tomatoes, and a few baby carrots. For our fruit, we have half an apple. Yum. And a tangerine. Now let's add some goldfish crackers. A couple cookies for dessert. And there you have it, lunch number 4 in our lunch series. Time to pack up. Stay tuned for more and make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And don't forget to visit cookingwithabby.com.